In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Trello API key or personal token following our full 2025 guide. So whether you're looking to integrate Trello with another application or need an API key for some custom development work, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to trello.com/powerups/admin. This is where you'll start by managing your Trello power-ups. You'll notice a section labeled Power-ups under the Apps category. You want to be here to begin the process of creating a new integration or power-up. Once you're in this section, you'll see an option to click on New. This initiates the process for creating a new power-up. You'll want to think of a name for your power-up or integration. This is a straightforward step, but take a moment to think of a name that accurately represents what your integration will do. After naming your power-up, the next crucial step is selecting a workspace. Choosing the right workspace helps you set boundaries for where your power-up can be utilized, making it easier to manage permissions and ensure security. Once selected, you'll need to enter your email address. This email acts as a point of contact and will be crucial for any notifications or updates regarding your integration. Next, you're required to enter a support contact. This is the person or team responsible for addressing any issues that might arise concerning your power-up. It's a good practice to ensure this contact is readily available to handle any potential concerns. Following this, provide the author name. This could be your name or the name of the developer team responsible for creating the power-up. It's a formality that ensures there's a clear line of accountability for the project. With all that information entered, you're ready to click Create. This completes the initial setup and enables you to move on to generating your API key. The process continues by clicking on Generate a new API key, followed by another click on Generate API key. Once generated, make sure you copy the API key to a secure location. This key is quite essential as it ensures that your integration has the necessary permissions to perform its tasks. After securing your API key, click on Token. You will be directed to a new screen where you'll need to click Allow. This grants the appropriate permissions to your integration and is an important step in finalizing your setup. Finally, you'll see the token displayed. Like with your API key, ensure you store this token safely as it will be needed for authentication purposes. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to find your Trello API key or personal token. Remember to keep both your API key and token secure as they provide access to your Trello account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.